Namaste to all the senior citizens. We are really concerned about your health, particularly how you will look after yourself during these trying COVID times. With that intention, let me share a few words which are very important for you to look after yourself. Let me begin with your diet. Please continue to take whatever diet you have been advised by your treating doctor as of now. Always ensure that your liquid intake is adequate, except those who have problems with your kidneys and your heart. Don't overload with liquids, but otherwise, the liquid intake has to be well regulated every day. Please take small multiple meals. Always make sure that while eating and drinking, you're sitting upright. Avoid eating and drinking in an inclined or a lying down position so that there are no complications. Now let me touch something about your exercise. I know a lot of you would be advised exercise. In this COVID times, you cannot go out. If you do go out, please don't go out on a very cold morning. Please wear your masks properly and have a walk, preferably in your house compound. If you cannot do that, you may walk your steps at home, but be very careful to negotiate between the furniture at home. At this point, it's very important for you to take care to see that you don't fall. This is very, very important. Remember, when you visit the bathroom at night, the light is kept on so it's bright. Please do not lock yourself in the bathroom at night. Make sure that you avoid slippery floor. Also make sure that you walk slowly, slow pace. No need to walk at a fast pace at all. Number 4, a lot of you may be having blood pressure, diabetes, asthma. Continue the same dosages which have been prescribed by your doctor. Please do not change the dosage by yourself. Please do not share your medicines with other people. Please make sure that your medicines are well stocked at home. Please get your relative to check the expiry date. If you forget to take one dose, don't worry at all. Double dose is more dangerous. Please take the next dose correctly. That will do. The next thing I want to tell you about is, at the end of all this, take care about your medications. Do not worry about anything. Please make a note of the new symptoms which may happen. If you have giddiness, if you have headache, if you have chest pain, if you have slight difficulty in breathing, this is the time you have to contact your doctor immediately, or you may have to visit the hospital. Please do not say this will be taken care of by itself at home. The earlier the report, the easier for us to treat you. If you have feverish feeling, body ache and headache, cannot delay meeting the doctor. At best, you can take 1 tablet of Crocin. For those who are very old, 2 tablets a day is enough. Higher painkillers are not going to be very suitable. Please do not self-medicate with higher painkillers. That said, at the end of this, these are few tips for the important things, like 1 is your diet, 2 is your exercise, 3 is your preventing yourself from falling, 4 is about your medications, your inhalers, etc. Remember to keep the mouth clean always. And last but not the least, please enjoy your time with your children and grandchildren. This is a blessing in disguise for you with your children and the family. Don't worry about anything. Nothing will happen to you. God bless you all. Stay healthy, stay safe.